Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It is believed that Delhi was first founded by the Pandavas and was called Indraprasth. Indraprasth was centered near Purana Killa. However, the city of Delhi was developed in the 11th century by the Tomar clan. Then it came under the possession of the Chauhans. Prithviraj Chauhan made it famous by his heroic efforts. Then Delhi was obtained by the Mughal emperors and they made it a world-famous city. The Mughal emperor Shah Jahan rebuilt it in the 17th century and it was called Shahjahanabad. He shifted the Mughal capital from Agra to Shahjahanabad. Shahjahanabad nearly corresponds to today's Old Delhi. Finally, New Delhi was constructed by the British as the capital of India. The city was planned by the English architect Sir Edwin Lutyens. Now, New Delhi is the capital of our country. All the main offices of the central government of India are in New Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi is the official residence of the President of India. It has beautiful Mughal gardens. There are administrative North Block and South Block on either side of Rajpath on Raisina Hill. The office of the Prime Minister of India is in the South Block. Parliament House stands at the end of the Sansad Marg, north of Rajpath. The Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha hold their meetings in it. All the main offices of the Delhi government are in Delhi. Delhi is rich in monuments. Some very important and famous old monuments of Delhi are the Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar and Jantar Mantar. The Red Fort and Jama Masjid were built by Shah Jahan. The Qutub Minar was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. Maharaja Jai Singh built the observatory Jantar Mantar. India Gate, Rajghat, Humayun's Tomb, Lodhi Garden, Shantiwan, Dal Museum, Zoo and Appu Ghar are some other attractions. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. At India Gate, a flame burns in the memory of those who sacrificed their lives for our country. It is called the Amar Jawan Jyoti. The Lakshmi Narayan Temple or Birla Temple, Jama Masjid, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Kalkaji Mandir, Bahai Temple and the temples in Chhatarpur are famous places of worship. The governments of other countries have their offices in Delhi. They are called embassies and high commissions. Delhi has a good network of transport. Many roads, bridges and flyovers have been constructed in Delhi. Palam Airport and Indira Gandhi International Airport are the two big airports of Delhi. Delhi is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. Many people from different states of our country live in Delhi. They have different tastes, languages and cultures. So, Delhi is called Mini India. The main language spoken in Delhi is Hindi. All the major Indian festivals are celebrated in Delhi. Focus. Delhi got a legislative assembly in December 1991.